Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dataview plugin in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have the plugin installed and you'll know how to pull up clean, dynamic list of notes straight from your projects folder so you can turn your vault into a lightweight dashboard. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're inside the vault where you want to use Dataview. Everything you set up here stays within this vault, so it's important that your notes, folders, and projects are actually stored in the same place you plan to query. If your vault is messy or split across multiple locations, Dataview will still work, but your results won't feel as useful until things are organized. Next, head down to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Obsidian manages all settings, preferences, and plugins. Think of it as your control center for customizing how the app behaves. Inside the Settings panel, select Community Plugins. This is Obsidian's built-in directory for third-party tools that extend what Obsidian can do. If you're prompted to enable Community Plugins or turn off Restricted mode, go ahead and allow it so you can access the plugin browser safely. Once that's done, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Dataview and open the plugin page when it appears. Take a quick look at the description if you want, then click Install. After it downloads, click Enable. Installing just adds it to your vault, but enabling is what actually activates it, so Obsidian can start reading your notes. Now close Settings and go back to your notes. Before we jump into queries, it helps to understand what Dataview actually does. It doesn't just list files. It reads your notes like structured data. That means it can look at folder names, tags, and even custom fields inside your notes, then turn all of that into live results you can filter, sort, and reuse. Now create a new note that will act as your dashboard. This is where most people start unlocking the real power of Dataview. Instead of jumping between folders, you'll have one place that shows everything dynamically. To create your first query, you'll use a code block. Type 3 backticks, then write Dataview, press Enter, and add your query inside. A simple starting point is pulling everything from a folder. For example, if you have a folder called Projects, you can write List from Projects. Once you exit the block, Dataview instantly generates a live list of all notes in that folder. And the important part is that this isn't static. If you add, rename, or move notes, the list updates automatically. Now here's where it starts to become really useful. Most people stop at simple lists, but the real power comes from structure. If you consistently use naming conventions, tags, or custom footer metadata like status, priority, or due date, you can start building queries that behave like real systems instead of just lists of files. For example, you can later filter to only show active projects, or only show notes that were edited recently, or even build a view that separates ideas from completed work. That's where Dataview starts feeling less like a plugin and more like a personal database inside your notes. Another useful upgrade is switching your output from a list to a table. Tables let you display extra information like tags, dates, or custom metadata. You can also sort results so the most recently updated notes appear at the top, which is especially helpful when you're actively working across multiple ideas or projects. A quick tip here is if your query ever shows nothing, it's almost always a naming issue. Either the folder name doesn't match exactly or the notes inside don't exist where you think they do. Dataview is very precise, so small inconsistencies matter. As you get more comfortable, you'll start building multiple queries inside a single dashboard note, one for active projects, one for tasks, and another for reference material. Over time, this turns your vault into a command center instead of just a folder system. To wrap it up, you installed Dataview, enabled it, and created your first working query that pulls live data from your projects folder. From here, your notes become interconnected, searchable, and automatically organized without any manual effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.